The solar PV system. Sizing Interactive Calculator helps engineers quickly determine critical solar system parameters based on energy requirements and site conditions. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate required array size from daily load. Calculate battery bank capacity. Calculate inverter size from peak load. Calculate daily energy generation. Calculate number of panels required, or optimize system voltage selection. For this demo, I've selected Calculate Required Array Size. Now enter your parameters: daily energy consumption in kilowatt hours per day, peak sun hours in hours per day, overall system efficiency as a percentage, days of autonomy, battery voltage in volts, depth of discharge percentage, peak load in watts, surge load in watts, array size in kilowatts, panel wattage in watts, total system load in watts, and wire length in meters. Using test values of 10 for each input field, here's what the calculator returns. The required array size is 1.33 kilowatts, with a recommended size including 15% margin of 1.53 kilowatts. Monthly generation calculates to 300 kilowatt hours, and yearly generation totals 3,600 kilowatt hours. The system status confirms the array is sized for 10 kilowatt hours per day consumption with 75% system efficiency, while system losses account for 25% reduction. This tool streamlines solar system design calculations. Find the link in the description below.